how to use Amazon AU trade-in program. So it's like really easy. All you need to do is first of all open any sort of browser. Let's just go with Google for now, and then in here what you're going to do is search for Amazon trade-in. After doing that, this is the first link that you want to tap on by official Amazon.com. From here you'll be able to get into again your Amazon. From here, you'll be able to see all of the trade-in programs that Amazon have, right? So in here, you can now select the actual device that you want to trade in. Let's just go with the smart speaker, tap on it. And then from there, what you can actually do is enter your device name and model. And then from there, you can tap on the option Apprise. And then from there, you can again get along with the process, and you can simply review, like set your product for review. And when you do get approval of trading, and if someone do want to like trade in with your product, then you will be approved by Amazon, right? And like that, you'll be able to like trade in your product with Amazon product just like that. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below. And that is it for the video.